Hi guys, welcome to another plan with me. March is almost over, so that means it's time to set up April. 2 years ago I came up with a butterfly theme, and till this day it's still my favorite, so I decided to create butterflies again. I'm starting with one big butterfly for the cover page. I'm going for this butterfly, and because drawing a butterfly can be quite challenging, I'll show you my sketch version first. I always start with the trapezium and the body of the butterfly. After this I decide the shape of the wings. Hold a picture for reference if that helps. Here I'm adding color to the butterfly. As always, start with a lot of water and a very light color blue. I added a very bright blue color to the middle. I use a dark blue color for the edges of the butterfly. Make sure that the outside is really dark. After this I clean my brush with a bit of water and I make a gradient. Don't press too hard on the brush, otherwise you'll damage the paper. Painting around the light areas can be a bit tricky, but I like it when my watercolors look a bit messy. So when I mess up, it isn't that big of a problem. With the thinnest brush I have, I create fine lines on the wings. I use paint splatters and white gel pen for the finishing touch. I thought it would be fun to create a Dutch door for this cover page, so I decided to cut out the wing of the butterfly. I used a cutting mat and a cardboard cutter. I found this very difficult to do and I cut through my paper a few times. So if you want to keep it simple, skip this step. It works fine without the Dutch door. Behind the wing I created a pattern of light blue butterflies and shimmery blue dots. For the monthly spread I am drawing another blue butterfly. I am using a wet on wet technique for this one. Take one wing at a time to make it easier for yourself. Start off light and immediately add a darker color around the edges. Because your paint is still wet, the colors will blend perfectly. On the right I created space to write down important dates. I used a brush pen to make it look more interesting. All the used materials are listed in my description box. For my tracker page I created the same spread as always. I made an illustration of 2 butterflies and a flower. To make it look more playful, I created a pattern of blue circles made with watercolor, metallic paint and colored pencils. The last page is of course my weekly spread. I created one with boxes, something I haven't done for a while in my videos. On the left page I wrote down a cheesy quote which fits the theme perfectly. And on the right I made another illustration of a butterfly. And my April plan with me is done. I really like the outcome with the Dutch door. I also created a butterfly with gouache, which I quite liked. If you want to see a video on that one, please let me know in the comment sections. I hope you guys liked it as well. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe or look me up on Instagram at Dutch_dots. Hope to see you next time. Bye guys!